back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little more in-depth on how the boat fits in the garage. I'll talk about the width, the height, and the depth. This is the shorter side of my garage, so many people may have a little more depth based off of their home. So this is the shorter side of my garage. Like I said, it's about 19 feet long, but we'll get the tape measure out. I'll show you how the motor and the rack get really close and have to be folded down for the garage door and the opener. And I will pull it out for you and show you the gaps I have on each tire. I've had some questions about different measurements, so I want to make this video specifically for the measurements. You can see here, if I were to keep going, I would hit the garage door opener. So your tower has to be folded down for it to clear the opener and the door itself. So now that we have the boat halfway out, I will show you the gaps. As you can see here, let's go measure it. So we have, if I move this little bit of a weather stripping here, we have 3.5 inches on the left side. On this side, move the weather stripping again, we have 4.5 to 5 inches. Okay, here is left side. Here is the right side. Excuse my golf bags back there, but plenty of room. Now, my driveway is not flat. I will give you an outside shot in a minute, but now let's see how close we are on the top. The motor it's pretty low, it's pretty trimmed. I mean, obviously it's not up. And I have plenty of clearance. This is a standard 7-foot garage door, which I'll put in the measurement picture as well. We have roughly 8.5 inches, give or take. I guess that is based off the trim. So now let's trim it and we will see how the distance goes up and down based off where the motor is. So with the motor trimmed, I'd say it's over halfway up. You only have 4 inches from a standard 7-foot garage, 4 inches from the top. This will not fit with the motor trimmed all the way up. I think it'd be too high, it'd be too close, and it's better to trim it down and then back it in. So now we will show you how close it is in the back. As you can see, we have about 1 inch to 1/2 inch. The motor is almost perfectly trimmed down. Plenty of room on the prop, but just enough room. And we have, I'd say, a good 5-6 inches in the front. The boat and where it hinges are pretty close to even. One thing I wanted to point out is your garage might be longer. Excuse my mess here, but as you can see, this is where the short garage stops. This is where the normal one begins. So an 18-foot boat may fit in a normal garage, but it will not fit in a 19-foot garage. Okay, so there you go. Those are all the dimensions, the width, the height, and the length of the garage. Hope it helps you guys. I like to buy the boat that will fit in my garage. I do not want to put it on a lift. I don't want to put it in storage. If you have an 18-foot or a 21-foot version, it will not fit in a 19-foot garage, maybe a bigger garage. I did show you how my main garage door is a little longer. So like it, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. Lots more videos to come.